I'm curious if anybody has a pattern or set of patterns that they're seeing as to the root causes of why people continuously keep taking shortcuts and keep delivering bad user experiences or less than what they could be doing.
From my perspective, in my domain, it's a pretty simple answer, luckily. It is often that teams are barreling too quickly into a solution, and they are not taking the time to really understand what the problem is that the software, if it is software or hardware, is supposed to solve. And so so that's one flavor. And then the second flavor that might be even tagging on to the first flavor, but can also be very independent, is that there is no expertise. There's no core UX expertise on the team. And team members have to create the front-end UX that actually don't have a UX background, no design background, research wasn't performed. And it will show eventually, right? You can maybe get an MVP out if you know the target audience really well, but you will run into some issues, right? Because there's certain trends in the industry. There's real craft to design, there's real craft to research. And if it's done and you have people on your team that know that craft really well, and you allow them a seat at the table at the opportune time early on rather than too late when you can't recover anymore. You know, if the wrong user model has already been implemented, the wrong flows have been implemented, and you're just going to make it pretty, which is always the running joke in our practice, then it's too late, right? And it'll show. So I'll leave that there as a couple of thoughts, and then hopefully somebody else has additional things.